So we're here, Connecticut meetup. We're over at Goodwill, first location, and we're getting ready to go in right now. So who knows, maybe we'll find some good stuff, make some money. Good to see you. What's going on? How are you? Hold on, give him a kiss. So we're actually at a thrift store, and what did you find, Jerry?
I found 2 Vineyard Vine polos.
Wow. $8 each, and what are you hoping to get for these 2?
About 60, put them in a lot, about 60 bucks.
You wanna know what's impressive? You found something at a store where the truck actually had crashed. So there's no inventory in this place. Like, nobody's finding anything, but Jerry, man, you've been in the game for like, what, a couple months?
2 months, man, that's it.
So this is the guy who literally took over $100 out of my profit. See those bins right there? I wasn't looking in the bins, and what did you find, man?
It was a 1998 Monopoly game, sealed, brand new.
And what was I doing? I was looking in like, at some like fantasy books.
Yeah.
And you just came in, you're like, Raiken profits nothing, I'm unsubscribing, I'm
I actually saw you and I came over to say what's up.
Yeah, right.
In the bin.
You came to take the money, man. So I'm looking for some deals. What the heck is that?
Yeah, there was a book over there, but I'm not too interested.
So we're behind the scenes with Mama Profits going in here. What's this? Ooh, that's a nice Ted Baker. What's your name?
My name is Andrea.
And what are you doing working here? I've never seen you here before.
I'm actually a volunteer.
Oh, volunteer.
Yeah.
Do you know what everyone here is doing?
Yeah, we're putting away the totes right now. We just got a shipment in, so...
Oh, the truck came in?
The truck came in, so we have a bunch of bins in the back that we're just trying to
put
everything away in
Sweet.
the back.
Because I heard the truck had like crashed or something.
Yeah, yesterday it was actually a 10-car pileup with a Target truck.
Oh my gosh.
So a different truck came in today, but the Target truck is coming in Friday morning.
Cool.
So.
Well, I love you guys for bringing out the truck. Thank you. We got Philip right here, aka the competition, going in on.
It's $12. That's way too expensive.
How much they want for it?
They want $12 for it, and they only sell for like $21 or something.
Yeah, not enough. So they brought out some new bins here. We're poking around trying to find. Check out this, guys. I just found a Salvatore Ferragamo tie.
You gotta tell me about this.
Yeah, man, this brand right here, man, if you want to make it in Connecticut, man, with Raiken Profit in the house, you're gonna have to know these brands. Salvatore Ferragamo, very high-end Italian brand. I'm not sure what this tie is gonna go for. I have to look it up, but you see how it's got an interesting. Unfortunately, my camera's not focusing, but it has an interesting pattern. It's got like little, like, I don't know, rhinoceroses. Those do very well. Any type of themed clothing ties do very, very well. Oh, so you're saying my followers ain't gonna like your content, bro? What do you got on your YouTube channel?
I mean, honestly, more recently.
Tide challenges?
Yeah, tide challenges.
Dude.
No, it's actually a lot of Pokemon stuff. So I guess if they want to brush up on their Pokemon collectibles. And
what's your YouTube channel?
Retro Junk 1987.
Cool, man, cool. Valet Picker, man, where'd you come from?
Charlton, Massachusetts.
Nice, nice.
40 minutes away.
What are your thoughts on this?
Salvatore Ferragamo.
What do you think the value is of that? Because
I thought you get 50 if you did research and think you can get more or less. I don't know, but $50 easy.
Cool, man, awesome. You find anything in this abandoned store?
No, it's all picked up.
No, we're going to Savers. Let's check out. Look at all these hustlers and pickers. We took out this store. Getting ready to go over to Savers right now in Manchester. Let's go. So here we are right now. We're over at Savers, one of my favorite stores. We got people pulling up right now. Thrift School, Valet Picker, Tim. We got Jerry back there. So yeah, we're gonna go in here and try to find some deals. Hopefully the trucks dropped off inventory at this place. All right, so here we are. Hey, you see how low-key I am right now?
Ooh, why, do they not like filming in here?
Oh, they hate me for filming.
Well, I'm gonna film in here.
I think you said we were showing you love.
So I'm here with, what's your name?
CT Whale AJ.
What's up, AJ? We found a bunch of baseball cards, and what just fell out?
Michael Jordan, the GOAT.
Oh, that is awesome. Let's go try to find some deals. What are you flipping through?
I don't know. Just looking for something unique. Yeah. Paparazzi. Here
Hey, man, this is my footage.
I'm popping in here.
What are you looking for over there, Jay?
Just looking. T-shirts right now.
Popping?
Looks like it's gonna sell.
Kind of cool.
Ooh, look at that. That's really cool.
$14 though.
The greatest of all time, trying to come through and find another Vineyard Vines. Man, if you find another Vineyard Vines, I will literally pay for it. My promise, right now.
All right, I'm on it then.
Hey, that item that I helped you find, remember a couple weeks ago, what was that again?
Tommy Bahama.
Did you ever list it?
Yeah, I listed it.
Did it sell or?
Not yet.
It's gonna take a little while.
Yeah,
It's,
you said about.
What'd you list it at?
What, $59.99?
Any watchers or anything yet? Any?
No watches.
Nothing?
No.
Hopefully it sells.
No.
Who do we got here on camera?
TJ Benz, man.
What's up, man?
What's
I
up?
like your.
You gotta get me another tie.
Yeah.
Find me another nice
I know.
tie.
I need to.
I
What
don't
do we
think
got
these are
here?
worth anything. Help wanted. You want $6.99 for this stuff. but I don't
Do you
think
sell on Amazon?
so. Yeah,
Do you have the Amazon seller app?
I do.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna scan them in soon.
Yeah. Scan them in. Sometimes it's good to just throw it in
This one I
and.
think's worth about 10, but with the
Nice.
fees, probably not worth it.
Yeah, the fees are rough now.
$3.99.
We'll go find some deals, man. Cape Cod in the house. So Philip found some interesting Nike Air Zoom shoes. Trying to figure out if it's the same thing that he.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It seems like it. Let's see. Let's open it. Yeah. It's the same thing.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Very interesting. So here at Mama Profits, what did you find at Savers? Herbal Healing. What's that selling for?
$24, $22.
And the price is over at Savers for people who are wondering.
Yeah, $3.49.
Well, $2.49 if it's under $6.94. Which, hey Tim, have you ever seen a book that sells for under $6.94?
Sells for under $6.99?
Yeah, the price of the book. So if you look at the book and the price says less than $6.94, which is impossible, unless it's maybe like a little kid's book or a magazine, it's $2.49. If it's over $6.94, then it's $2.99. If it's over $9.95, it's $3.49.
Right.
Most books are always over $9.95.
Right. Yeah.
So it's the dumbest pricing model I've ever seen in my whole entire life. But hey, Mama Profits, you know, she's still making it work. So what do you got here?
It's an Obama inauguration hoodie.
Oh, check that out. What's the value of that, you'd say?
I would probably put it at like 35, 40 bucks.
Wow, that's unique. What brand is it?
It is NNT.
Oh, cool. Very
Just for
interesting.
this, I mean, it's people are looking for that stuff.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's different. It's unique.
Yeah.
Cool. So, Greg, can you show everybody what you found?
It's a 1986 vintage, true vintage, Boston Red Sox. When they were in the World Series, they didn't win it. I'm a Red Sox fan my whole life. I'm only paying $3.49 for this. I'm definitely not going to pass that up. I'm not going to leave that behind in Connecticut.
Can't do that.
Would you pop on that, Jerry, if you saw it?
Now I would. I'm learning. I'm soaking it all in. I would have though, because of the way I would have.
What do you have here, my man?
Got a Philips DVD recorder.
Ooh, $12.99. Is that an Amazon FBA sell?
Oh, yeah.
How much?
$120.
Boom.
Not Legos.
So Mr. Mr. $680 Polaroid Lego camera man. If anyone knows what I'm talking about, go check out his YouTube channel. But what do you got here, man?
It's 2017 Lego Christmas set. $3.99. You can't pass it up.
Is it complete?
I mean, I don't know 100%.
Hey, what do you think? Do you think it's complete?
It feels pretty
I
complete.
doubt it. But if it's not complete, he could sell the little reindeer right there for like 10, 15 bucks by
Just by
itself.
itself.
$15 for a reindeer?
15 bucks for
So we're getting ready to go over to another thrift store. Philip, what are you doing in there, bro?
I was pushing the lady, but she doesn't want to move behind the desk. I know you're in a hurry. He's like, yo, man, I'm getting hungry, man, let's go.
Hey, you trying to be bona fide hustler? Yeah.
We put ours in the car.
What's a YouTube channel? Let's plug it.
Thrifty Flamingo.
Why Flamingo?
I like flamingos.
Check it out, Mountaintop Wrestling, Facebook, YouTube. Check it out.
Get 'em. You big into wrestling, man?
Yeah. We're the wrestlers. We actually just had a match. It was a pretty crazy match. You guys got to check it out.
I will. Link it up. Give me the link. We will link that up.
We will.
Over here at Goodwill, popping around.
I was just Alan Edmonds.
So what'd you find, Jesse?
I found this beautiful child, and he's cost $3. I'm gonna make $7.
So you're telling me you're selling children on Amazon? Hold on, we got a bolo right here. What's this bolo?
Dojo jeans from
Show
7
it.
for All
Show it. Flip it
Mankind.
around.
Dojo.
How much are these worth?
I can probably get 70 in this condition.
70 bucks.
They're like not walked on. They're not altered.
Wow. And what's the YouTube channel again?
The Thrifty Flamingo.
The Thrifty Flamingo.
I'm a lady with a thingo for the flamingos.
All right, so we are over at location number 3. So we started at Goodwill in Manchester, went to Savers in Manchester, then we went to, okay, we're at number 4, because then we went to one that I just showed you. So this is our 4th one right here, Goodwill. There we go, Goodwill. You can tell I haven't been vlogging in a while, and we're in a very high income area right now. And as you guys know, or maybe you don't, the higher the income, typically the more deals you're gonna find on a consistent basis. So very high income level. We're in Glastonbury, Connecticut right now. So we're gonna go in, try to find some deals, and I'll show you what people find.